Hello, how are you? And welcome to a nighttime video. This is Green Eyes by Coldplay. I just literally finished teaching this in a lesson, and I promised a little video for my student. So here we are. Let's kick it off. First up with the tuning though, we've got a regular tuning. So E, A, D, G, B, and instead of E, we're going to tune that to a D. Now, when you do the tuning, what's a really good idea is put the capo on first and then do the tuning. Okay, I'm using this G7 ART capo. If you want to check out my review on that versus a shub, I'll put a link up now. Let's get straight into it. So first up, we've got we're going to play the chords. I'll shout them out, but we're going to play them slightly differently. I'll put some notes on the screen. So we got to basically looks exactly like a G here, remembering that this is actually tuned to a tone lower than it normally is. And that actually gives the song its sound, because you're often playing these two strings in unison, right? Get a little bit further backwards there, that's better. So our first strumming pattern, we've got three different patterns we're going to play in the song. First one is down, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, so that's over the G. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay. And then we're going to play D with an F sharp bass. And then we're going to play, so that D with the F sharp bass, instead of playing D like you normally would with that one there, we're just going to leave it open. Okay. And then we're going to play an A minor chord. And this is where the second strumming pattern comes in. We're going to play down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and da, 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 da. So you play A minor, and then you lift that one. So it's an A minor shape, because we've got a D on the top. It's like an A minor add 11 for those who are keen enough to know that sort of thing. And then we're going to take our third finger out, and that adds a dominant 7 into the mix. So yeah, I guess that's like A minor 7 with an add 11, if you're interested. So that's the verse, that's how it goes. Let's just play that. G, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay. The next part, we've got the bridge, and we're going to use pattern 2 exclusively in this section. We're going to go down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. We're going to play a C here, but because we've got this D here, it's like a C add 9. So we're going to play down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, and then a G. D. And then a D. Okay, now that last bar was 1 and 2 and 3. So last two bars were D, and then an E minor 7. Okay, so that is that section. We're going to play G. Let's play the whole of that section, just to be clear. Bridge, A minor, C add 9, G, D F sharp, A minor, C, G, D. Okay, then we're going to hit the chorus. Now this is the most full strumming pattern of the three. We're literally going to play every quaver, 1 and 2 and 3 and If you put an accent on the 2 and the 4, it's going to sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So when you get a bit quicker, see what I mean? So that's a pretty handy little thing. There is a bit of alternate bass going on in here, so you don't have to do that. How I was doing that was playing A, E, A, E, C, G, C, G, G, D, F, C, C, G, C, B, A minor. So if you want to do like that, you can totally do that. But just to run through the chords as we will just play them, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, C. See how it lines, right? G. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then we're going to play this thing that looks like an F major 7, but in our situation this is actually an F6 because we've got F, A, C and D. Okay. If you wanted to, you could do like a grab chord, leaving that one open at the bottom here, yeah, underneath there. So you could play thumb, 3, 4, 2, 1, open. Okay, so we've got that G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not necessary at all to do that. You could just do a little short version. So you get the G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then we're just going to play this C with a B bass because it leads us nicely into. Okay, so let's go C, B, 1. 4 bars of A minor. Then that, let's come back so I can just see you a second. There you are. That whole thing goes around, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and then we have a small outro where he plays 2 bars of G, 2 bars of A minor, and then he comes back into the kind of the versey bit where he's playing the G, A minor, there you go. You just leave that fermata at the end, basically just let it ring, and that is the whole song. Thanks so much for watching. If you've got any questions, please do just send me a quick comment, and I promise I will answer you. In the meantime, there's heaps of other videos here on my channel. Please check out the subscription button, click that, and click the bell, and every Saturday morning you will have a brand new lesson, just like this one. Tabs on screen, hopefully nowadays. Some of the older lessons don't have that, but I'm sure you can follow it. Thanks very much for watching. I will see you next time. Cheers, bye.